Hello, beloved soul friends. This is a little small piece of one of my new videos about how to heal eating disordered action patterns. You can explore that full video here at youtube.com/Kristin Chronicles.
Really important. It's really important to have compassion for ourselves and for one another, because we don't know what other people are going through, and a lot of times we don't even know why we're going through what we're going through, because it's coming from beyond our awareness. So please, soul friends, whether you struggle with an eating disorder and action pattern, whether you know someone who does, or whether there's any kind of life particular that you just don't understand, let go of needing to understand and know that there is a reason, and it's valid and it's real and it's worthy of love. No matter the particulars, love brings healing, because what's happening is our unconscious minds vibrate at a frequency of love, but when there has not been love within experiences, that vibrational frequency is very low, and it feels a lot like fear or anxiety or panic or all of these really scary things. And so love is the only truth. It's similar to the way that coldness is not real. The experience of coldness is very real. But coldness itself is not a vibration that exists. Coldness is simply a space that lacks heat. And it's the exact same way with our personal life experiences. Our personal experience 100% stems from our unconscious mind, and all forms of neurobiological data in our unconscious mind, in our attachment systems, in our memory systems, and in our systems of meaning-making associations, and all of the neural networks that house those, in all of our subconscious sectors. All of that data vibrates at a frequency of love. And so when there is not a high vibrational frequency of love, it will feel like something that is not love. But because our unconscious minds are completely comprised of vibrations of love, we can heal any part of our unconscious mind by pouring love into that space of our experience. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, soul friends? Because our personal experience comes from our unconscious mind, and all of the data in our unconscious mind vibrates at a frequency of love, whether it feels that way or not. Because of that reality, any part of our personal experience, it doesn't matter what it's about, whether it's about eating, whether it's about a relationship, literally any part of our personal life experience can be healed by pouring love into ourselves within that space of experience, because then it shifts our neurobiological data, which is processing stimulus and creating the actual specifics of our personal experience. Okay? Does that make sense to you guys? Does that make sense?
Join me for the rest of this video at youtube.com/Kristin Chronicles. This is an excerpt from one of my recent videos about how to understand and heal eating disordered action patterns. It's based in neurobiological insights regarding the core causalities of eating disordered action patterns, and it approaches healing from a space of radical love. Thank you so much for tuning in to Conversations with Kristin. I am so grateful for your presence here on planet Earth. Blessings to you, soul friend.